boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have Pink here. She made a cool dance up-tempo song called TRUSTFALL. So can you do this into a guitar song? Of course you can. You just need to place your capo here on the first fret and have a cool strumming pattern, and that's pretty much it. But before, we need to learn some chords. So let's go over to the chords. We'll start with the D here. So that is open D, second G, third B, and second E. We have the G. So that is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. E minor. That is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. And the final chord, guess what? It's the C. So third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. And there we have the famous 4 D, G, E minor, and C. So let's start this one up, and it's pretty much same chord progression through entire song almost, except from a bridge part later on, but it will go with G, D, E minor, and C. So in that order, okay? We need to learn how to handle the chords. So grab the G, that's the first chord, and with that the strumming pattern will be down, up, clap, up. And in this song, we have a very prominent clap, a beat there, a rhythm going on. So you really can hit this clap. So down, up, clap, up. So a couple of rounds of the strumming, down, up. So that's how it goes. You're gonna play 4 strumming rounds per chord. So that gives us G, 3, 4, G, 3, 4, E minor, C, and it goes round and round like this. About 2 minutes and 59 seconds into this song, to be specific. There you have this bridge part starting here, and in the lyrics, what if we just fall? Here you're gonna change up the chord progression a little bit. It will be same strumming pattern, but you will play D4, then E minor 4, then back to D4, and then C4. That chord progression, D4, E minor 4, D4, C4. You're gonna play for 2 rounds. It will sound like this. Play this part for 2 rounds, and then you're gonna go back to the standard chord progression, G, D, E minor, and C, 4 rounds per chord, and you play that to the very end. And that pretty much covers Pink's TRUSTFALL. So a great way learning this 4 famous chords with an easy strumming pattern, and that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and play tuned.